Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
63. A lot of people go to the seaside for their holidays, and the various towns try to organize entertainment for them. In one seaside holiday town in the south of England, arrangements were made for a band to play outdoors in a public park every evening for a week. Unfortunately, the first evening it rained, and although the band performed well, there was only one person in the audience because, although the band was undercover, the audience were not. The man was sitting in a chair, wearing a waterproof hat and coat. After an hour, the conductor of the band went to this man and inquired whether he had a special request. "Yes, I have," said the man. "Please finish as soon as you can. I'm the keeper of this park, and I want to lock the gates and go home." Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.